So a problem with x plus h. So here, you guys are going to see these often on the AP exam. These are popular problems. The reason is, all right, they do have a meaning later on. I'm not going to spoil it for you guys until later. I'm going to tell you guys pretty much what it means. So if you do try to directly substitute 0 for h on the limit as h approaches 0 of 4 times x plus h squared minus 3 times x plus h plus 2 minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2 all over h. If you do plug it in, you'll notice that we do get an indeterminate form, right? 0 over 0. So now what we want to do here is we're going to want to expand whatever we see here and then simplify and see if we can actually divide out the h's, all right? So let's start doing that. So the limit as h approaches 0 of 4 times x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, and then minus 3 times x minus 3h, and then plus 2, and then minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2, that doesn't change, all over h. All right, so we continue here, simplifying. So now we're looking at the limit as h approaches 0. Distributive property here into all of these. So that's going to give us 4x squared plus 8xh plus 8h squared minus 3x minus 3h, plus 2 minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2 all over h. And now here, this is where we want to start simplifying. So if you guys notice here, a couple of things already leave our sights, which is the positive 3x and the negative 3x, the positive 2 and the negative 2 as well. All right, so that simplifies our problem a little bit more. So we're looking at the limit as h approaches 0 of, also the 4x squares cancel out, right? One's positive, the other one's negative. And then the only thing we have left, if you notice nicely, right, the only thing you're supposed to have left is something with an h. If you have something left out with an x, that means you have to retrace your steps and make sure that something comes up and you just have something with an h left over, right? All of these have to have an h. So 8xh plus 8h squared minus 3h, and that's pretty much it, divided by h. So here, if you notice now, we can factor out the limit as h approaches 0. We can factor out an h on the numerator, so that's 8x plus 8h minus 3 all over h. Those two divide out. And then if we do direct substitution, we're going to get 8x minus 3. And that would be your answer.